Good morning. I forgot my intro. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a full review on the brand new Violet Voss fun-sized palette. That is right, you guys. I got this sweet violet palette in the mail a couple of days ago from Sephora. It's super duper cute. It's like little and small. So yeah, I wanted to try it out. I like Violet Voss shadows, so let's give it a shot. So we're going to be doing a full review on this baby today. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram. I would really appreciate it. We're doing a lot of fun videos and reels and posts and stuff over there, so it's a really fun time. But yeah, let's jump into this palette. So, starting off here, this is what the palette looks like. It's very pretty and purple inside. I used to wear purples like every day on my eyes, every single day. But for some reason I have stopped doing that. But I would do a few swatches here for you. This is what we're working with. Very pretty shades, definitely. Very purple. And yeah, I don't particularly know what I want to do with this palette as of right now, just because there's a lot of purple going on, and you know, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna prime my eyes right quick though. I'm so excited because it is Monday, March 29th as I'm filming this, and tomorrow, Tuesday, I'm going to get my extensions put back in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. You know, like my tape-in extensions. I love them so much. I had them since July of 2020 up until like January. I had them like moved back up and stuff over the, you know, a few times, but I had them in for like 6 months consistently. I loved them so much. And I took them out in January because they were starting to get on my nerves because they were getting super long. Because, like, you know, when your hair grows, the extensions don't grow, but when your hair grows, the extensions move down. So it was just, they were just getting super duper long and they were getting caught on everything. So I took them out, and I've had them out like almost 3 months because it's almost April. But I was like, you know what, you guys, I gotta get them put back in. I miss it. I miss the volume. I miss the length. I miss how easy it was to style my hair. So I'm going to get them put back in tomorrow, and I'm so excited about it. Okay, so going into this palette here, what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna go into this shade right here, this light purple shade. None of these have names, I don't think. So we're just gonna go into light purple. I'm gonna put that in the crease. I'm going on a lunch date with a friend here in a little bit, my friend Katie, and I have a feeling that I'm gonna have very interesting eyes going to this lunch date with her. So it is blending pretty well. There is a little bit of skipping here on the outer corner, which I'm trying to fix, but it doesn't wanna work. This shade it's pretty good. It could be worse, but it also could be better. I feel like it's not super pigmented, but it's not bad. I just don't know why it's skipping on this outer corner. It's just like right there. I don't know. I do like this. It's really pretty. I think that it's working pretty well. It is working pretty well. I will give it that. I know purples are pretty hard to make, so I will give it props because I do think that it's doing pretty well. Like, the pigment is there. It is blending really nicely. It's not like, I only had the one issue with it being skippy over here, but this side's doing pretty well. It's not patchy or anything. Okay, so next I am gonna go into, I think I'm gonna do this shade right here, and I think I'm gonna do a halo eye today. I'm gonna try to, at least. So I'm gonna put it, I hope this brush is okay. I watched Midsummer the other day, and oh my god, I hate it. I hated every second of it. I loved the movie. The movie was great. I thought it was really good. A fantastic horror movie, but wow, I hated it. You know, just because of it's freaking terrifying, and it's a psychological kind of horror. movie. So everything is like mind screws and stuff. It's pretty terrifying, and if you have not seen it, I would actually recommend not watching it because I feel like you don't need to put yourself through that. There we go. And then I'll just leave the middle open for some sparkly shade later. Okay, so I've got this done on both sides. So I think I'm actually gonna go into this shade right here. This one looks really pretty, and I'm gonna put that on the center. It looks pretty, it looks nice. I definitely need to pack it on some more, but it looks pretty. And then I'm gonna have to go over this a little bit just to blend. I think that's really pretty. Nice. Alright you guys, that's what we're gonna do for right now. I am gonna quickly go ahead and do my face makeup and everything off camera, and I'll come back. And of course I'll let you know what I used, but I will go do that, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the eyes and do the lips. Now, see you in a second. Alright, I'm back, and I did my face makeup. I went ahead and put on my liner and lashes and all that good stuff. So, for my face makeup, I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer for my primer. I used the Dior Backstage Body and Face Foundation. This is in the shade 3N. I used basically the same stuff that I use all the time. Like, I used my Ilia bronzer, of course. I used my Hourglass highlighter. I used my Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable blush in the shade Nearly Neutral. I used the eyeliner. This is the Tarte Doubletake eyeliner, and then I used my lashes. They are Lilly lashes in the style Goddess. That's what I used. But yeah. And then let's go ahead and do the lower lash line real quick here. I don't really know what I want to do for the lower lash line. I haven't decided. Maybe I'll go into this like pretty blue purple, like blurple, if you will. Maybe I'll go into that one. I feel like that would look really cool. And like have a little contrast. Yeah, that's like super cool. Look at that. Oh my god. Looks so good. Okay, and then that's pretty much it for the eyes, you guys. That's done. We're gonna go ahead and just quickly do the lips. I don't really know what to put on my lips just because we have a very, very bold eye look going on right now. So I think what I'm gonna do is just use this NYX Shine Loud lipstick, just because this stuff lasts forever. This is in the shade Gold Crusher. Here we go. It's very light. I do like this shade. I think it's good. It's just super duper light, and I don't think that it goes with my skin right now, especially because I do have more of a tan going on. So I don't really think it suits my skin at the moment, but it's so sticky. When I'm not tan, then I think it looks a lot better. But I gotta stop talking. I'm just sticking my lips together. Okay, so that's much better. Okay. Okay. But you guys, this is the completed look that we did end up creating today with the brand new Violet Voss Sweet Violet palette. My eyelashes are royally making me mad because they're sticking me. I put them on too far in. I don't wear falsies that much anymore, so I don't know how to put them on. But yes, I thought this palette was really, really good. I thought the quality was great. This Violet Voss has never been like a super expensive brand, I don't think. They're kind of like in between drugstore and not even high end, like drugstore to like Anastasia prices, you know? It's kind of like in between that, so they're not super expensive, but they're not like drugstore cheap, but they're definitely not crazy expensive either. So I definitely think it's worth it. If you like Violet Voss shades, if you like the shadows, then I would highly recommend it. I think that they did blend really, really nicely. I only had issues with one shade at the very beginning that kind of had an issue out here, but you can't see it anymore now. So I definitely do recommend it. I think the center shade that we used is beautiful, stunning. I love it. But yeah, I've got specks of eyeshadow in my eyeball. But if you are on the market for something that is very purple, of course this wouldn't really be like an everyday kind of palette unless you wear purples every day. This would be an everyday palette for my mom, for example. She wears purple liner and purple eyeshadow every single day. And I used to, when I was in like high school and college, I used to wear purple eyeshadow every day. But I have strayed away from the purples now, but I still do like them and I like to come back to them. And I think this is just so, so nice. And I think the formula and the quality on this palette is great. I'm definitely gonna give it an A. Just a nice solid A. I think that is definitely what it deserves. It's really good. But yeah, you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!